Quiz 2.03, Reasoning Part 2, Example 2. Use the conditional statement to answer the question. If an animal is an elephant, then the animal has a trunk. What is the contrapositive of this statement? Contrapositive means that we negate both statements. So we put is not, then the animal has no trunk or does not have a trunk. Then we switch them, so it has to be if an animal does not have a trunk, then the animal is not an elephant. So which one matches that? If the animal does not have a trunk, we see that here, then the animal is not an elephant. So it has to be A.